Okay, so
Okay.
Where do you see most customers' potential?
Adhesives have helped to make our world more efficient, lighter, faster, stronger.
adhesive is technology. This really brings it to the customer, brings more benefits to them, more efficiency, more sustainability, and I think this is the key point here.
Let's try to reduce weight, let's improve the design, let's innovate the product.
I see most customer potentials in automation of their processes, especially when it comes to our adhesive.
Our capability to innovate. They think LOCTITE is the glue, but we have a lot of solutions, total solutions.
The LOCTITE works. You can always be sure that the quality will be delivered. We are always keen to be the best and trying to be always ahead of the market. So this comes with a lot of responsibility.